Hey everyone, Blake here at C&S Corvettes, getting ready to take you through another shop walk around on what we got going on exactly in the shop today. Here we have 2009 C6, came in for a list of things: intake manifold gasket replacement, oil pressure sensor replacement, new rear plate and rear seal, torque tube rebuild, and the right hand fuel sensor was faulty, giving it a low fuel message, service fuel system. Andy's taking care of that, everything. He's putting it back together right now. They're putting the transaxle literally back into the car as we speak. These guys are working hard, as they always do. The difficult part right now that these guys are doing is actually aligning the transaxle to go back into the clutch assembly and flywheel, hitting that pilot bearing just right with the input shaft so that everything is lined up and goes together smooth without any sort of resistance at all. So that's what we have going on this side. All right, so now that all the hard part is actually done, car's back down on the ground. We were going over everything. We checked all the coolant hoses. We actually found a small coolant leak in one of the hoses, so we ordered that up real quick for the customer, had it changed out. It's actually the crossover upper coolant hose right here that attaches to the bottom of the reservoir and comes back around to the heater core there. We got that changed out for the customer. We're getting everything cleaned up, and we'll get him on his way here shortly. Moving on, right here, we have a 2001 C5. Customer has brought it to us for just about everything. We're gonna do a front engine kit, torque tube rebuild, right-hand fuel tank sending gasket. It already got an intake manifold gasket done, new oil pressure sensor with oil pressure sensor relocation kit, oil pan gasket's been done, and we're plugging along and getting all this work knocked out for the customer. All right, over here we have a 2007 C6. Customer has come in for another front engine kit, not another front engine kit. Here we have a 2007 C6. The customer's come in for a front engine kit. As you know, we do front engine kits As you know, we do front engine kits all the time on C5s and C6s. It's part of our bread and butter here. Andy's getting this one knocked out, as well as the oil pan gasket. And the customer has also opted to put a brand new set of Bilstein B6 shocks all the way around. So it's going to be riding smooth and nice as soon as Andy finishes up with it. Bit of quick trivia for you. Do you know what edition C6 these wheels are originally from? If you do, leave it in the comments below. It'll be interesting to see. Freaking micro machines over there. The fan favorite isn't out here in the parking lot. It's sitting inside. That's that 1972 C3 with a 502 big block engine in it. It is on carsandbids.com right now. If you go there and you can check it out, it's the 1972 C3 Corvette. Tony's going to put a link in the comments below so you guys can just click right on it and check it out. And remember, it's up for sale now, so get your bids in while you still can. All right, everyone. That's another episode of C&S Shop Walk Around. Always remember to please like, comment, and subscribe. Please tell me how I'm doing. If I'm doing a terrible job, I'll tell Tony to stop putting me on camera and all our lives will probably be a little bit happier. Other than that, again, this was another episode of the Shop Walk Around. I hope you had a good time. I did. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.
Hello, it's your Corvette buddy Lyle here from C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. I want to talk to you briefly about something we've had active for quite a long time that I've never mentioned here before. If you are looking to buy a Corvette, or if you are wanting to sell a Corvette, on Facebook, we own something called the Vette Vault. And if you want to go in Facebook and just type in the Vette Vault, it'll take you directly there. This was something we established a long time ago for people wanting to buy and sell Corvettes, but didn't want to pay any fees, buyer or seller. This is a completely free service. The only reason we did it was so that people who wanted to buy and sell Corvettes could find each other without having to pay for the privilege of finding each other. But there's always cars for sale up there. We do limit only to Corvettes, and we don't allow Corvette parts or Corvette automobilia or anything. This is specifically for Corvettes for sale. So if you want to go on there, all you need to do is have a Facebook account. There's no fee to join. You just have to get in there and say, hey, I want to be a part of this. Nothing will ever cost you anything, and it's a good place to see what's available and what things are bringing. So if you are in the market for a Corvette, or you're just interested in watching what these things go for these days, this would be a really great opportunity for $0 for you to follow along. And If you have something that you want to sell or a Corvette sitting out behind the barn that you are like, oh, I'm never going to do anything with it, this is a place you can put it for sale. Go ahead and visit the Vette Vault and, tell me what you think.